was interpreted by none other than Sam Concepcion, Tipito Santos, and Quest. It is one of the songs in the mix top 10 right now. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage the grand prize winners of the 2013 Philpop Music Competition. Ladies and gentlemen, performing Patty, Thyro, and Yumi.
Hello, thank you very much. Wala po si Sam, Tippy, and Quest, but yeah, we're gonna perform the song for you. So, here we go. Next walk. Sundan niyo po kami sa Twitter. Ako, Thyro Alfaro.
Yeah, ako po at Yumi Laksamana. Pareha-pareho lang. Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So, yeah.
Liga!
Okay, so let's go.
Thank you.
Ayaw mo? Lagi ka sa likod.
Yun. Sa kawain at bawang pagkakalaban pag nagtataya-taya. Pero sintamis lang candy pag nagkakasal-kasalan. Di ba dati ay nagkukunwaring Marvin at Jelena? Minsan ay tambalang Miley at Bojo Molina. Ang sarap siguro balik ka ng mga alaala. Lalo na kung mga bata, kaya ka makasama at parang pulyo kung yan nakita.